Panginoon, sa iyo po namin inaalay ang araw na ito. Salamat, Lord, sa kadakilaan, Panginoon, ng inyong pag-ibig. Salamat, Lord, sa katapatan po ninyo, Panginoon. At sa inyo po namin pinagkakatiwala ang lahat, Lord, na magiging okay po ang lahat, Panginoon. Kayo po, Lord, ang siyang manguna sa amin, Lord, sa manibagong yugto ng aming buhay. At nawa, Lord, kayo nga lang po ang may honor at maitaas sa aming mga buhay. Maraming salamat po sa tanging pangalan ni Jesus na aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas. Amen.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
A wedding is not an event. A wedding is not a celebration. A wedding is a worship. Bakit ko sinabi that a wedding is a worship? Because God ordained marriage, and every time we do the act of God, it is called worship.
Dati, dinadalangin ko lang na sana tumagal tayo. Pero ngayon, ang dinadalangin ko na ay kung paano kita mapapasaya, kung paano ko mapaparamdam sa'yo na mahal kita sa habang buhay na magkasama tayo.
Alam niyo po, hindi ko na mabilang kung ilan ang mga kinasal ko. I lost count, but I believe this would be the first time that I would be doing sa wedding ng Datuin at ng Fernandez.
It has been 11 years, and today is just the glimpse of our promised destination, our promised home from God. 11 years kang naging tapat kong ninja, and ngayon, isa ka ng hukad. You have been a constant reminder of God's great love to me, and I pray that I am also to you. And for this very reason, I am not afraid. I am blessed to be marrying you, a man after God's own heart.
Isa sa mga joke na narinig ko about marriage is that marriage is like a prison. It cages you in, fold your wings, and wears you down. Magpapakulong ka sa mga pangasawa mo. Ano to, police? Wow! But today, Rowie, I give all my life to you because you never cage me in, fold my wings, and wears me down. Instead, you have set me free. Di ko lubos maisip kung paano nangyari ang lahat. And I'm so totally amazed that God really knows what I need and what I want. Maraming miracles ang pinakita at ginawa ng Lord sa buhay ko. At isa sa pinakamagandang miracle na ginawa niya ay yung makita ka kanina na naglalakad sa aisle.
Briggs, it would be my life's greatest mission and joy to take good care of you, be a blessing of a wife to you, and be the best mother I can be to our children. To serve God by loving you every day, not only in the good times, but more so when we face problems and challenges together. I love you, Briggs, always, as long as we both shall live.
Spirit so real, I
is love, Briggs? Or what is love, Rowie? October 10, 2050. So my challenge for the two of you, hayaan yung gawan ng sariling ibig sabihin, ang pag-ibig. Amen ba?
Touch the sky, woman, hit the ground.